At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Hand pain refers to discomfort in the hand or fingers, ranging from mild to debilitating. Poor blood circulation influenced by conditions like diabetes or peripheral artery disease can cause numbness and discomfort. Joint health is also crucial as inflammation or degeneration can lead to pain and restricted movements. Hand pain is common in those over 50, affecting 47% monthly, with 31% experiencing specific hand pain. It can hinder daily activities requiring fine motor skills like writing and typing. Symptoms vary and may include sharp pain, dull aches, stiffness, swelling, numbness, and weakness. A hand pain diagram is a tool used by healthcare professionals to help identify the specific area and type of pain experienced by a patient. This diagram provides general guidelines on where a patient may experience pain in the hand or fingers and allows for more accurate diagnosis and treatment. The diagram typically includes the location of pain with labels of conditions that commonly cause pain in those areas, such as carpal tunnel syndrome or arthritis. It may also include additional information such as nerve pathways and common referral patterns for pain. At Carepatron, we have created a hand pain diagram to help you easily identify the location of your patient's pain and potentially pinpoint the underlying cause. Our template also includes information about the conditions that may cause pain in that specific area, allowing you to better assess and manage your patient's pain. Here's a detailed breakdown of how to use a printable hand pain diagram effectively. Start by obtaining the hand pain diagram from the Carepatron website, linked in the description below. The hand pain diagram can be used in either a print or digital format. It is recommended to have both options available for convenience and flexibility. Before using the hand pain diagram, gather information from the patient on their symptoms and pain levels. This will provide context for the diagram and aid in diagnosis. Instruct your patient to indicate the specific areas on their hand where they are experiencing pain or discomfort. Use the hand pain diagram as a reference to help identify these regions and potential causes. While using the hand pain diagram, make notes and observations about the location and severity of the patient's pain in your clinical documentation. Share your findings from using the hand pain diagram with your patient. This will help them better understand their condition and how it may be treated. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.